Alright, what's going on, guys? Happy morning to you. So it's currently 9 in the morning. Before we go outside to get started on stuff, what I'm gonna do today, I forgot to make a little update on these, but I ended up getting my wheels, you know, same wheels that I had last year for Icebox. So I got these wheels, and I got my ET drag slicks. So be taking these out to the tire shop, having them mounted, whatnot. And then we're gonna get back, and I'm gonna set everything up. Hopefully I can get the car driving today. I don't think I'm gonna do my fuel system right now. I'm going to rewire it though, and hopefully that's actually gonna, maybe it'll make it better. But I'm gonna test things as I go, so that way I can actually find the issue and not change everything and then not exactly know what the issue was that caused my fuel pressure drop off. Right now, I'm gonna take these out, go to the tire shop, have the tires mounted, and then when I get back, I'm going to finish messing with my fuel system. Alright, good news guys. Tires are mounted on the wheels. So one of the things that I needed to do, last year I needed to install this because the one that I have is totally junk. I'm surprised that they even let me use it. So we're gonna take that out, install that one, and get rid of that one. And we're gonna rewire this trunk bay. Let's see what these can do as they are. If they don't do well, I'll swap over to the swirl pump. Oh, damn guys, the sun's starting to freaking shine out here. Alright, well I got this big old freaking heavy duty thing. Yeah, it even sounds heavy duty. Alright, I think they're gonna be okay with that. So I think, oh yeah, I got a alright, so I'm gonna start the rewire process of this. I'm gonna do a tutorial on this, so this can, hold on, so we can clean you guys again. So this tutorial can actually be useful for many different things. So I'm going to actually show what you have to do with the relays. Any car that you're modifying in the stock fuel pump, you want to do a relay mod, so that way the stock wire for the fuel pump will turn on the relay, and then your fuel pump will get a full 12 volts versus a voltage drop that you don't want to happen. Just like the way I don't want these to voltage drop for fucking 3 volts less than the battery has. So that's what I'm gonna fix right now. I'm gonna get rid of these grounds, ground it out to the battery where it's supposed to be, and then hopefully everything's gonna be good, because I'm not gonna use small wire, I'm using that 10 gauge. So I'm gonna jump right in this, get this finished, and we're gonna go cruise around. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how to run these, since I'm doing 3 different relays, since we've got 3 pumps, including the one in the tank. What you're going to want to do here, so I've got 3 lines going to 1. This is actually the signal wire, the signal power that comes from the front of the car. That is the original power wire to the fuel pump. Now, you don't really want to use that stock wire because there's always voltage drop in it. So what you're going to want to do, and this is why everyone uses these relay mods, is because the power wire comes from the front of the car, goes to this, and it's just enough power to click this relay on and then send direct 12 volt from the battery to the pumps, so you always have correct voltage. Now on this, so you will see that there are numbers here, so you can use either 5 or 4 pin relays. The middle pin is not used on the 5 pin, so if you're somewhere and you need relays, you can get a 5 pin and it's not going to matter. So the 86 is the signal, the original 12 volt wire that goes to the fuel pump and tank, and you'll be using that as basically a signal wire that will click the relay on to activate the other 12 volt. The 30 goes to the battery 12 volt positive side. The 87 will go directly to the pumps, and the 85 is a ground, so you'll want to ground it to a good ground, and not what I did, where I used that piece of shit over there. Just a little update, I did check the voltage, because I ended up using the 10 gauge wire. I checked the voltage at the pump when it was on, and the pumps do, in fact, have 12 volt now versus 9. So, recap here, the bottom one, 86, is the original 12 volt wire that comes from the front of the car, that's going to come here. The middle pin is not used. 87 goes to the pumps, 30 goes to the battery power, and 85 is a chassis ground, when I've actually grounded mine directly to the battery, because obviously there's no better ground than the battery itself. So yeah, that's just a little update there for you, so you guys know how to do this for you watching. Alright guys, well, Oh, I can see some fuzzy on your lens there. Right. Okay, well, so it looks like it's appearing to be finished. So I had the pumps running. I checked the voltage with both of them running. Both of them are at like 11.6. So that's absolutely amazing. That's like a whole, almost 3 volts more than what it was before. Everything is rewired. I got everything like sort of tucked away. It looks nice over here. This side, obviously, it's a battery. Actually, I can just go ahead and throw this guy on here, and we'll be good to go. Well guys, I think that I'm having spark blowout. I do have new plugs and stuff. They're colder. Hopefully that's the issue. I honestly have no idea what's going on. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.